In June of 2010, SpaceX launched the Falcon 9 lift vehicle, their first ever reusable rocket. And after that, they have kept on launching upgraded versions of the Falcon 9 and developed entirely different designs like the Falcon Heavy, all of them being reusable in nature, which means they can be used more than once. This has placed them on a whole different scale when it comes to the commercial spacecraft market, with their biggest customer being NASA. However, there are a few countries that are developing their own reusable rockets and are slowly catching up to them, and soon enough, SpaceX may not be alone. And in this video, we are going to explore 3 of these parties and what they are up to, so stay tuned. Japan's National Space Agency, JAXA, has stated that they will be working with around 30 Japanese companies and institutions to develop their indigenous reusable rockets. Their main aim? To reduce the costs of these rockets by 1/4 of their current prices and compete with Elon Musk. And sure enough, many big-name corporations have displayed an interest and even signed deals with JAXA to work on the program. To name a few, we have Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and NYK Line who have expressed their interest in retrieving the used components after their return, ANA Holdings who will be conducting researches and experiments on the know-how of the spacecraft's operations and maintenance, and the Nagoya University and the Chiba and Kanazawa Institute of Technology who have said that they will be studying electric pumps and composite materials for the vessels. JAXA and its partners plan to develop a prototype by 2026 and perform their first official launch by 2030. The China National Space Administration has formulated plans for developing new generation crew launch vehicles for launching its crew to the Tiangong space station, and to send rovers and exploration vehicles to the moon. The planned spacecraft has been named as the New Generation Manned Launch Vehicle. Not a fancy name, I'd say. The CNSA's designs shows that after the launch of the vehicle, the first stage will shift to decelerating the capsule, and accordingly be guided by precision grid fins. And where else do we see this feature? You guessed it right, in the Falcon 9 spacecrafts. However, the landing will be a bit different. The NGMLV will be using tethered landing devices. Putting it simply, the descending rocket will latch onto suspension wires via hooks, instead of the usual landing legs. Although any official statement for the system's launch has yet to be declared, experts state that the project may get finished by as early as 2025, and a launch may take place soon after that. Nothing has been made official though. Roscosmos, the National Space Agency of Russia, released a statement back in October of 2020 that they have been planning to design and launch reusable rockets of their own, and as it seems the designing phase is almost at its end. The new rockets, named AMA, has been designed as a 2-stage rocket, with the first stage returning to Earth for vertical landings, a feature seen in the Falcon 9. And speaking of Falcon 9 here, the AMA designs have quite a lot of similarity with the Falcon 9 designs, from the grid fins for stabilization of the spacecraft, to launching each booster up to 100 times. But then again, the Russians aren't making a twin, are they? The AMA will feature 5 boosters, compared to the Falcon 9's 9 boosters, and unlike the Falcons, the AMA will use methane and liquid oxygen. While you may ask, won't these features make the power of the launch lesser than the Falcon 9? We have to also notice that the AMA will be smaller in size than the Falcon 9, or any of its competing designs for that matter. Papers say that there might be a difference of around 50 feet in height and a difference of almost 15 tons in payload capacity of the 2 rockets. What we do know is that the AMA will be launched from Vostochny Cosmodrome in Russia's AMA region, thus giving rise to the name AMA. The Sea of Okhotsk, being rough in nature, does not favor a soft landing platform, and thus, a search for a suitable landing site has yet to be decided. We hope that you found this video interesting, and if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family and whoever you think should see this. Take care, stay safe, and goodbye.